After intubating the dog, connecting to 3%, isoflurane has maintenance. We will do the scaling. This should be quite fast because there's not much tartar. The back teeth. This is the P4, premolar 4, and further one, molar 1 and 2. Further in. See, the dog is asleep already. Doesn't feel any pain. We have cuffed the endotracheal tube. Okay, and we have this flow rate at 3 liters per minute oxygen. Now 2.5 to 3, put 2.5 will do. 2.5 will do, 2.5 the maintenance dose. 2.5 will do, yeah. Standard dose is 2.5, maintenance. So we try not to put more than necessary. Okay, then finish. The table is tilted down. Now I will just see what's the reading? The pulse oximeter. What's the reading? 88%. Now there is an app alert also, so you can use both or one. Now it should be 90%. It's 83. It's okay, but not too bad. What's the pulse rate? 40, 68, 41. Reduce to 2%. The isoflurane. 94. Now it's starting to stabilize. Stabilizing. Okay, stabilizing. We check the heart there. Heart rate okay? Yeah. But this one will show us because the pulse rate is at 69. And SpO2 is 88%. 89%. 90 would be better. Yeah, 90. Okay, we finish the right hand side. Then we just turn over the left hand side. So let's see the oxygen, the isoflurane by right should be 2%. It's more than enough, which we are doing it now. And so the lowest dose is the safest dose. Sometimes I can do 1% for very old dogs as well. So it's not necessary to put 3%. Now 95 is okay, 97 is better. Yeah. Okay, we finish the front and the dog is okay. Get ready to turn over. Uncuff first. Get ready first. Yeah. Okay, not ready yet. Okay, let me see here. Okay, put 1.5%. Because this is not a very major surgery, so there's not much pain involved here. Okay, come. We turn over, uncuff, turn over, then I go that side, and that's it here. How is the pulse? 99% is okay. The monitor, oxygen, and 64 beats per minute. A bit low, but you can see that the dog is still under anesthesia, and we just use minimal isoflurane gas, so it's safer. And because the starter is not much, so there's not really, shouldn't take a long time to do this scaling. Now you can see the gums are inflamed, so the owner will have to brush the back teeth more, at least 3 times a week. 3 times a week. Now check, is the dog blinking? Check and see. No, right? Not blinking, right?
Not blinking.
Check the iris, is it dilated? No? Not dilated, right? Okay, so we are finishing soon, so reduce to 0 then. We don't need to 0, and then by the time we finish, dog should be awake. Yeah. Because the dog is on IV anesthesia as well, so the isoflurane is just a supplement. sometimes you can just do it on IV anesthesia. It's not all the time you need oxygen. You can see this is a 3-year-old dog, and the teeth are still in good condition. The gums are also in good condition. Okay, how's the well, we finished already, that's it. Okay, we will stop now.